Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I pray for your safety. You will be fine, I hope. As you know, we are reading our lesson number 4, that is Hazrat Asma Radhiyallahu anha. We are doing its exercise. In the previous lecture, you did 4 questions. And next question number 5, 6, 7 and 8. Today you have to prepare these 4 questions from your syllabuses. See next, it is page number 40. Some words and phrases are given for making sentences. Mad with anger, gusse se paga. When Abu Jahl came to know about the migration of the Holy Prophet, he became mad with anger. Fit of fury, गुस्से की हालत में. In a fit of fury, he slapped me. In a fit of fury, the father slapped his son. Reveal the secret. राज जाहिर करना. We should not reveal the secrets of our friends, or do not reveal the secret of anybody. Resolute. I have resolute faith in Allah the Almighty. Resolute means firm, pakka, pukta. Alleviate. Alleviate means कम करना, to reduce. This medicine will alleviate your pain. Migration, hijrat. First migration of Islam was made in 622 AD. It is not a verb, hijrat करना नहीं है. It is a noun, migration, hijrat. Companion, साथी. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq was close companion of the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Refuge, panah. It is only a noun. During rain, he took refuge in a hut. I told you earlier, when you will make it a sentence by refuge or panah lena, you want a verb, you can use take. Its second form to. Gave away, तकसीम करना या तोहफे के तौर पर दे देना. He gave away all his money to the poor and the needy. Determined, पुरअज़म. I am determined to get first position. And students, be careful. These sentences are given you people only for your help. You can make further more sentences by your own. If you have the skill, you can prepare some other sentences. Next we have abstract noun. Noun is the name of a place, person or thing. And there are many kinds of nouns. Abstract noun is one of them. Abstract noun is the name that is given to a quality, state of being or feeling. ऐसा नाम जिसे हम इसम मुजर्रद भी कहते हैं, जो गैर मादी चीज़ों को दिया जाए, ऐसी चीज़ें जो हमें देखने में, टच करने में नहीं मिलती, बल्कि जो कि एहसासात हैं, कैफियत है, कंडीशन है, उसको जो नाम दिया जाए, फीलिंग्स को, एक्सप्रेशंस को, that is abstract noun. In the lesson, while I was teaching you the translation, I have told you the words which are abstract nouns in the lesson, like patience, valor, bravery, wisdom, courage. They are the abstract nouns. Some abstract nouns can be made from the verbs, from the noun, from adjectives. So some words are given here. You have to make their nouns. Courageous, that is adjective. Its noun is courage. Empty, that is also adjective. Its noun is emptiness. Difficult, difficulty. Generous, sakhi, generosity, sakhawat. Resolute, pukta, pakka. Resolution, irada, pakka, irada. Suffer, mubtala hona. Suffering, mushkil, mushkilat, sufferings. Then you have articles. Put articles where required. What are the articles? There are 2 types of articles, a, an. And the a and an are the definite articles and the is the indefinite article. A and an are put before the things that can be counted. Countable चीज़ों से पहले it is used before the things that we can count. And the is mostly used article. It is used before the names. It is used before the references or things that are specified. It is used before the name of any book or any newspaper. It is also used with the superlative degree. It is used with the special things. Or when a thing stands for the whole class, we also use the article the. Let's see our exercise. What articles were required? Trees are grown on either sides of the canal. Her courage and patience is exemplary. There is no article in this sentence. Kindness and tolerance are the noble deeds. The higher you go, the cooler it is. As you know, we use the article before the superlative degree, but when two comparative degrees are given in a sentence, जब एक सेंटेंस में दो बार कंपैरेटिव डिग्री दी जाती है तो हम वहाँ पर भी द का वर्ड यूज करते हैं, आर्टिकल यूज करते हैं, जो हमें मीनिंग देता है इतना और जितना का। वैसे तो आर्टिकल्स हमें कोई मीनिंग नहीं देते। द आर्टिकल गिव्स अस नो मीनिंग। ए और एन हमें एक का मीनिंग देते हैं, लेकिन द हैज नो मीनिंग। लेकिन जब हम किसी एक सेंटेंस में दो बार कंपैरेटिव डिग्री के साथ द यूज करते हैं तो ये हमें उतना और जितना का मीनिंग देता है। जैसे द हायर यू गो द कूलर इट इज। आप जितना ऊंचा जाएंगे वहाँ उतना ही ठंडा होगा, वहाँ उतनी ही ठंड होगी। He is the tallest in the class. The dog is a faithful animal. The dog, it represents all the dogs in the universe. The Indus is the largest river in Pakistan. The is also used before the names of the rivers. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Be careful before the names of mountains and tops. We don't use the. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Alice is the most intelligent girl in the school. Before the superlative degree. Where are the books which I bought a week ago? जब हम किसी चीज को स्पेशल करते हैं, जैसे वो किताबें कहाँ हैं जो मैंने एक हफ्ता पहले खरीदी, वो किताबें, वो खास किताबें। So we use the articles a and n, the in this way. Okay, it's enough for today. Prepare it well. Thank you.